I usually start looking at the tops first, and today I found a lot of good tops. This one right here, I'm obsessed with. I love butterflies, and I love a fun little quote with a cute font. Wild and Free, that was so cute. And then I found this Seductions piece, such a perfect piece for the club. I found this Rockaware top, and it's like velour textured, which I thought was really cool. I didn't have too much of a vision of what I wanted to find at the thrift store. I know what I like, and I went in and I basically looked at as many aisles as I could, but I was definitely looking for more tops than anything. Either way, I looked at the shorts later, and I don't think I found anything there. It was either picked through or no one was donating cute stuff. But there were a lot of cute tops today. By this point, my cart was mostly full. I looked through the skirts. I found some pretty cute pieces in there. And then this piece right here that kind of looks Ed Hardy-esque, it had a men's tag on it, and someone, I guess, took it out of the men's section and put it out on the side, so I snatched it up real quick. And then after that, I lined up my pieces on a clothing rack and just started looking through them, trying to see what I was going to keep, what I was going to put back. In case you guys watch my videos and want inspiration on what brands to look for the thrift store, I'll tell you some of the ones I picked up today. We had Seductions, Forever 21. A lot of these brands are also modern brands but have older tags, so you can kind of watch out for the newer and older tags. I believe I found some lasenza pieces, Victoria's Secret, Jessica Simpson. I pick up Susie Shear also. Yeah, I mean, it's also about just knowing what tags are the older ones and more modern ones of the brands. And I guess I pick up some modern pieces too sometimes if I think it looks good quality and if it's cute. So yeah, it's about also what you like and the feel of the fabric. When you feel it, you can kind of, you know, if it's sheen, you can kind of feel the sheen on it. So that's another factor I found. Oh right, Guess today also, they have some pretty cute 2000s pieces. Another aspect to it is knowing designs, silhouettes that are 2000s inspired or that stem from that time period. So I mean, there's certain patterns that were more popular in the 2000s, so if you see a piece with that pattern, it'll most likely be from that time, and then you could just like analyze it by looking at the tags. Sometimes some pieces have the year on them, so you could look at that as well. It's kind of an intuitive thing because let's say you find a piece and the pattern is very much 2000s, or something that was popular during that time, maybe the silhouette too. Then you have to differentiate if it's fast fashion or not. I mean, if you look at the tag and it's Fashion Nova, there's your answer. So it's also an intuitive feeling. Like when you look at the piece, the fabric, how it was constructed, that is also a clue. But it's also with time, it's kind of something you have to figure out. Once I was done sorting everything out that I already had in my cart, I decided to look through a few more aisles. I looked at the shorts. I didn't pick up a single pair here. They were all kind of ugly and boring. I also stopped in the lingerie section, I think twice. I think this was my second time going through it, just to see if there was anything new. And then I looked through houseware, trinkets, all that stuff. I found this box. It's like a Paris Hilton heart box. I was debating picking it up, but it just looked kind of terrible quality. The box was a little bit broken. This little container here, I picked that up. This picture, I also picked it up for my living room. So gorgeous. I also picked up one other picture, but I didn't show it to you guys here. And then I was looking through the picture frames. This was so cute. I was debating getting it, but I left it behind. And then I found a Sex and the City trivia game. Hey guys, we're back, and it's time for a haul. I feel like this was a pretty good thrift haul. So I'm going to make this one a try-on haul too this time. I'm going to try on most of the pieces, because I never do. The issue with this top is it might actually be too big for me. This is so cute. I'm pretty sure this may be a large, maybe even an extra large. But honestly, these kinds of tops I think can fit basically everyone, because you just tie it at your neck, and even if it falls back, then it's like, okay, it's just like a low back kind of shirt. So So also it's long enough to be a little bit of a mini dress. So I don't know. I have to see if I'm going to keep it or not, because like technically it doesn't fit me. I just need to figure out if I like how it looks, considering that it doesn't fit. It's purple, it's got fun patterns, like it checks all the boxes for me, so I can't not keep it. The thing is, if it was shorter and actually fit like the length of a shirt, that would be so cute. I could play around with it. I could like put a belt, figure something out. I don't know. I have to play around with styling this shirt. And now that I have this shirt on, I'm noticing this is tied as a bow from like how the previous owner had it, but like it could maybe be a halter top, and that would maybe be cuter. I think I like this more. So whether it was meant to be tied as a bow or not, if it wasn't meant to be tied as a bow, like that was a good idea from the previous owner, but I do prefer this halter look. I think that's really cute, actually. I like the red detailing of this that matches the flowers on the shirt. I feel like if it was like cream strings, it would be more boring, and this just adds a little pop. And it's fun that it's open here. To be honest, my belly ring is never shown with like the xoxo, where you just never see it, and this, it's like you can get a little peek, which is fun. I did not think this shirt was going to fit me. I didn't think it was going to fit me nice. I thought it was going to look kind of ugly. This is surprisingly really cute, to be honest. And it kind of shocks me when that happens, because it happens more often than it should. When a piece looks like it might not look good, but then you try it on and it looks better. My cat literally just like went under my duvet and is here right now. Isn't that so cute? Okay. Next we're going to try this Seductions top. I showed it to you guys at the store. This is like a showstopper. Oh my god. I might have to wear this next time I go out. This is beautiful. Ouchie. He loves going under blankets. He's so silly. Let's say if his head is right here, you'll see his big ass eyeballs. Yep. He's right there. Hey, Moch. Don't even bite me. We're not playing right now. Do you guys see him? Okay, let's try on the shirt. Wait, this shirt is so fun. There's this little tying piece, so I'm gonna tie it and see how that looks. I honestly don't think I have a like one shoulder top in my collection. Oh wait, do I like it with this? Maybe not, but it could just be used to cinch the back. So I think I'll use it for that purpose and not really to be visible. Oh my god, the sequins. I love sequins so much. Ooh, this would be so fun for going out. I would just go no, I can't go no bra, never mind. This is like a mesh material. Maybe I'd wear like a red bra, so there could be like a little peeking of red lace or something. I'm not gonna lie, the club is so low effort now in every way. The music is not fun. It's not gonna get you dancing. It's not, like, I would not consider club music today club music. And the outfits, oh my god, I've seen people wear athleisure straight up. I've seen Lululemon leggings. I know. But something like this would be fun for the club. In the 2000s, when they were playing like Shakira at the club. You know what I'm saying? Okay, next, a Jessica Simpson, I think beach cover up, you know, little skirt situation. Okay, we're also trying this shirt on, which might be too big for me. But guys, I think I'll keep it anyway and wear it as like a dress. The vibe is kind of like Ed Hardy. This, oh my god, I saw it like hanging on the side of an aisle. I walk up to it, snatch it, put it in my car. I'm looking at the tag. It's a men's shirt. It was in the men's section. So I think one of the employees was trying to hide it over there. And then, I don't know, a guy saw it, pulled it out, put it to the side. I don't know what happened there. But now she's mine. And look at the back. Oh, this may be one of my favorite pieces I thrifted today. Honestly, I just tried a good amount of favorites. Like the Seductions shirt. I thought that one was pretty cute. But we have more, yeah, I need to just decide if this fits me or if I should just let it go. But I don't want to. I love detailing like this. Oh my god, I love like pops of colors, rhinestones. This just makes me so happy. And then what does make me happy is that this is not in stores today. Like, what the hell is this? Cute. Little floral. Not really cute with this top, but you know. would be cute over a bathing suit. Okay, going on with like the theme of this shirt, the hearts, the angel wings, we got this Bon Jovi shirt. This is such a cute tee. It's not fitted on me, which I don't really like this fit. I don't like when it's in between where it's not fitted and it's not baggy. Something about this I feel like is not flattering. But also, I feel like I might not like the fit of this shirt just because of different factors. Like, I'm tired. I'm having a bad hair day because I've been going to the pool every day, so it's like chlorine hair. And I don't have a good mirror. I'm also not styling it. Like, I have like no bracelets on and not much accessories and all of that. Because to be honest, it is cute. It is cute. I just think it'd be cuter like this. But to be honest, I think it just looks plain to me because I haven't styled it yet. But I think it's pretty cute. Shirts like this bring me so much joy. I love a fun silhouette where it's like loose at the top, like where the arms are, and then it's cinched at the waist down. It's like such an impeccable combination to have as a shirt. And then the designs, like if you guys watch my thrift videos, you know I love butterflies. So anytime I see something, I'm almost always thrifting something with butterflies on it because I love them so much. And there's like rhinestones on here, sequins, and it says wild and free, and I really appreciate a fun font, and this font is really cute. And I like the vibe of this top a lot. Like, wild and free, yes. And that's what this top is. This is such a cute piece that I will not be trying on because this is barely even a shirt. But it has so many components I love. Like, it's purple and it's pink and it's leopard print. And I love this like tie-up detail. This is so cute. I think this would be cute layered under like a mesh kind of top. Or I don't know. I'll figure out different ways to style this, but I will find a way. Also Halloween, like you could totally do something with this for Halloween. Now we're gonna try this BB top. Very club vibes. I'm very excited. Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna fit this good. The necklace looks a little crazy right here, like I wouldn't do that, but I didn't think it was gonna fit so nice. It's so flattering, so fitted. I really like the design, like the silhouette up here, and it's glittery. This is such a good club top. Next, I think I'm gonna try the Rockaware shirt. That's like the terry cloth one. And maybe I'll try it with these jeans. These are pretty insane. I found them towards the end of the thrift trip, the thrift shopping, whatever. But yeah, pretty cute. I don't know how much storage I have to be trying on the rest of these items, so maybe I should just show you guys everything that's left. This is really pretty. I think you guys did, I think I did show this to you guys in the store, but I really love the mesh layer over the teal. And then we have this 100% silk top. This is cute, like totally out of my comfort zone. I don't wear shirts like this, but it's a fun design and I really love the material choice on this one. This is gorgeous. I love that it's hot pink sequins and 100% silk. Yes. And I'm gonna try this Victoria's Secret pink shirt. I more got this to lounge. I think it's a good lounge around the house shirt. I feel like Victoria's Secret pink has really good active wear. I don't go to the gym, but if I were to go to the gym, I would totally wear this. The only kind of active things I do are during the summertime, which is pretty bad. But during the summertime, so right now, I go to the pool a lot, and I sometimes play volleyball in the park with like friends, family. So yeah, this is what I would wear for that kind of activity. And I like that the back is mesh. I don't really know how it looks, so I'll find out when I'm like watching, but I mean, like, I don't know how it looks on, so I'll see. But I like the concept of like mesh in the back. Really cute, really breathable. Now we're gonna try this Guess shirt. A staple, you know, some rhinestones, goes with everything. Now this is a basic. This is what a basic should be. It should still be interesting, you know, a little glitter, you know. If you're gonna have a basic, like at least have some rhinestones on it. Anyway, so now we're gonna try this Forever 21 skirt with the shirt. The waistband is elastic, which is nice because then it's there's more like variety, like it can fit more sizes. Oh, this is cute. I kind of didn't prop my camera up well for you guys to see the bottoms, but my jean shorts might be peeking out a little bit. But very cute with the teal. Honestly, personally, I don't think I would wear this skirt with this shirt though. Like, I try them on together, but this is not how I'd style it. I like a bit more pops of colors in my outfit, so the shirt would first of all not be a black shirt, but also wouldn't be a baggy one. I would wear something fitted, like a little fitted tank top of sorts, but we're not styling this video, but you know, just putting that out there. Now we have this skirt from Susie Shear, I think. Yeah, really pretty. I feel like this was draped really nice. It's got this little like tie detail for the waistband. Here, I'm gonna like twisty the top out of the way so we can see the skirt. So yes, this you tie in the back. Oh my god, I need to show you guys the fullness of the skirt. Hold up, guys. This skirt is beautiful. I knew it was gonna drape really well. This was scientifically made to perfection. Oh my goodness. Imagine you're like dancing in this and look at it move. That's so beautiful. Okay, last thing I'm gonna try is gonna be these jeans. My head's gonna be cut out for like probably the rest of the video until the outro, but I'm gonna try these jeans on. I won't be trying these on because they're more of a upcycling project. I also have a few bathing suits to show you guys. I got this pouch, which is really fun. I wish it was colorful though, because it would look like a mermaid pouch, you know, if it was colorful with all those beads. They look very ocean-like, so I would have wished it was like a fun color, but it's okay. And then in the back over here, this is just a pile of stuff to upcycle, so I'm not going to show you guys that either. But I just got some bathing suits. I got these red bottoms. I realized I don't have enough bathing suit bottoms because they're a little scary at the thrift store sometimes. I got this bikini top. It's from the brand H&M, and it's like, I'm pretty sure unworn, because attached to it was like the strings in the Ziploc, you know, and oh, and it had like a bit of the original tag ripped off. And then we've got this bikini top. I don't know what the brand is. Oh, actually, wait, it says Giorgio. Is that Giorgio Armani? You guys tell me. And then I got this bikini set. It's very rare I find sets. The brand is Foxy Jeans. We got these bottoms and this top, except the padding isn't in there anymore, but that's fine. I'll just add that in myself. I got the jeans on. This is how they look. I also almost forgot to show you guys this little box I thrifted today. Pretty cute. So that was the haul. Thanks for watching, angels. Make sure to check out my other videos if you want to watch more thrift videos, fashion related videos, vlogs, all of that. You should totally subscribe. But thanks for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah. I'm going to do laundry. Then I'm going to start reworking some of these pieces because I got a market on the weekend and I need more handmade pieces. Like, I need to grow 8 arms, I need to get shit done. But anyways, if you haven't watched my videos before, this is your first time watching my videos, I post lots of thrift videos, I post fashion related videos in general, I post vlogs, so feel free to check out my channel, subscribe. I have playlists, you can binge videos and all that. And that's the end of the video. That concludes the video. So thanks for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah.